Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. And today we're talking about frost seeding. This is when you put seeds in the ground in winter that are going to germinate late winter and give you a jump start for spring.
One of the things I like to do around Christmas time is do what's called frost seeding. So we have this tunnel here. This gets covered with that plastic, but I'm going to put some seeds in, and as we get the frost thaw cycle or the freeze thaw cycle, the seeds will work into the ground and they'll germinate very early, late February, early March. If you're doing frost seeding, you want to do things that are cold tolerant. Some of the lettuces, kales, and also, of course, some spinach. These are great. Under the tunnels here, planting a little bit of kale, just a kale mix. And again, I tend to plant somewhat heavier this time of year because I find that some of the seeds just don't germinate and they're older. So that's all I do, just rough it up a little bit. And there's my kale, and we'll do some spinach as well. After frost seeding, it's covered with the greenhouse plastic. We have row cover underneath. It'll be nice and buttoned up here for the winter. And like I said, this will start germinating late winter and give us a really early harvest of greens. So that's the main reason for doing this. It really gives you a jump on the upcoming season.
So there you have it. When I frost seed, I put in mostly greens, again, things like spinach and lettuces and kales, and I put the seeds in the ground and I let them work in. The reason why we covered it was it's going to give me a little bit more heat over the course of the winter, but it also stops the rain and the snow and everything from kind of washing the seeds away. So once they're planted, they remain in that spot. And those seeds will germinate in February, even in a cold February. The sun is the sun, even in a cold month. Those seeds are going to start to germinate by mid to late month. And I'll be harvesting by late March some of those greens. They'll be baby greens, but nevertheless, it gives us a nice jump start on the season. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.